Inudvet loke tek benta bang pharo muni dapan bangri un lapen towar ke mi japon tek. Lason thotsi dipua Rongsopi rongasar hiraing tiarong amikar roson phangcho lapen rina bepia tumasupi Seidalyne Phangchopi National Eligibility Entrance Test mate NEET surihini ra inkora asatlang undun pen puthot Silchar Medical College along amen ka chithab long pura Rongsopi arat atum ningarong pen Arnamani hirjumi hang pipen Karcho padopon. Lason si kedam tang pai chikloni pai thongkep rai si bhomkuruani ada por phainer kep a por pen karbiang long dipua Rongsopi adung het kedo Rongsopi arongasar hiraing ti rongamai phu addition tokpi lapen rongara tung pen Seidalyne Phangchopi ahem humri dam pen Karcho dam padopon. Rongsopi arong chukim det pen non an artaning kan kripli vaccine dola lapen ka dukawe don pharo pli sose adon phai dolo la song bong roson phangcho pen rina bepiatum asupi Seidalyne Phangchopi kechengsi MBBS ke charli ji aphan NEET surhini rain kor phol satlang undet pen puthot Silchar Medical College along amen ka chethap dun long ke Rongsopi ara aphan chot kalisi solangdo karbia khaya phansi nong me ke wan pilokisi rongasar hiraing ti lapen rongamai phu addition tok bia tum pen ningarong alamthi chepaklang pon lapen an parta methang asomar aphan loke charli ahut chilangdun pamilote ke thek thede chi ke mate kiun ede ji alama matsi avi puta Seidalyne apiapo ning ke perung alamthi ning jepon.
My name is Seidalyne Phangchopi. My father name is Rongsopi Phangcho and my mother name is Rina Bipi. The name of this village is Rongsopi and I live here.
And what is your aim in life?
My aim in life is to become a doctor and treat everyone with care.
How do you feel? And nang laswa entrance lang kiun ng exam admission kilong.
I feel so proud. I'm so happy that I could bring a name to my family and to my village.
And what do you want to say in this village and in your young generation?
I hope that the young generation would work very hard. And the first thing is to never give up. Because in my first attempt, I didn't got NEET. So I took a 1-year drop, and after that, I was able to crack NEET. It's because I never give up. So I hope that everyone would never give up and work hard.
Lason loyo mane kechali bang mane nang cipaduk pi lapen alangli tachi nang cipulo non lom ke alain ta chari dunai tipu kuyala masih alain jong si dunji pute apang coaching enduna asi coaching endun pen mo chocolate pu masih small long coaching pa endun lo masih kechengsian ingkan pen ana mahir jumi pen long pen pu undun chit le
ngarong ulo la nang deng nang kile pidun ke dan sar burak cipaduk ka join ni sila anta kile dun lo pe house sonang cipaduk join ni sila anta kile dun lo
Dipupen Govin Tisu Karbing Long Life.